Hello guys, so welcome back my new video. So today I would like to share about very interesting topic, and that topic is over ChatGPT. So before jumping this video, let me know about myself. So my name is Rajni and you are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Not English with Rajni Devi, sorry, English with Desi Housewife, because recently I've changed my name of YouTube channel. So actually many learner use this ChatGPT actually because of being the master in this language. But seriously, it's a very amazing. Even I'm using ChatGPT, so that's why I'm telling to you ChatGPT is very good for them who don't have any partner, even person. With the help of they become the very good speaker. So try to use ChatGPT from now. So actually now question rise, what is the meaning of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a AI chatbot. Okay, with the help of ChatGPT, you can start talking. You can ask question to the ChatGPT. But I think one thing it's a very I think good for me. That is immediately ChatGPT give the response without getting any pressure, without taking any time. ChatGPT give the immediately answer. It's a very good. Okay, so and many people use this many people use ChatGPT now. I know very well. Even many people make the thumbnail with the help of the ChatGPT. Even when they get the confused, so immediately they take the help of the ChatGPT to get the answer. So actually even I take when I get the stuck between the conversation, because of because of some vocabulary, because of some structures, and after that completing the conversation, I asked to the ChatGPT, so please let me know how to say in English in the proper with the help of the grammar. So immediately sorry, ChatGPT give the response. So seriously very amazing. Okay, and another thing I would share, if you are the learner, okay, so when you want to use the ChatGPT, so only ask very simple sentence. Okay, not a very big and very advanced. In the beginning time, you can ask very simple and ask to the ChatGPT, please let me know how to make a very simple sentence for my daily routine. Okay, immediately ChatGPT give the response. Okay, and correctly. And another thing I would like to share, because when you want to improve your vocabulary levels, you are stuck in between the vocabularies. So ask to the ChatGPT. Okay, but not vocabulary. Just ask about the phrases. Even I have realized now. So that's why I'm telling to you. Don't run after vocabularies, fancy words. Just learn, approach many phrases, because phrases makes fluency natural. As well, very confidence comes by using phrases in your sentences. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And I would like to share another point here. Yeah, sometimes people are afraid of judgment. Okay, what if people laugh at me? What if I make the mistake? So then why? What? Okay, in that time you can take the help of ChatGPT. Even ask to the question, if you are making very wrong sentence, okay, according the grammar, ChatGPT don't give the back answer, back response. You are making the mistake, you have to try to correct, but easily, very politely, ChatGPT say you have to improve right now. Instead of this, you have to say in this way. Okay, so it's a very amazing. Okay, and don't afraid even ChatGPT, because while using the ChatGPT you don't have any hesitation, you don't have any fear, okay, of judgment. So just with the courage you can ask to the ChatGPT. Okay, so it's a very amazing. And another thing I would like to share, don't treat like a app, treat like a teacher, because you are learning with the help of ChatGPT. Because ChatGPT give the many point, with the help of you are improving, as if ChatGPT is a teacher. So because when you have all the rule and regulations about the ChatGPT, so definitely you will become the very good speaker. And in the end, eventually I would like to share, seriously, if you have the courage, if you have the consistency, if you have some passion, okay, and punctual you are in your journey, so definitely you will become the very good speaker and believe in yourself. So if you wanna improve your communication skill with the help of ChatGPT, so you found my video, so please like, share, comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.